Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Deep Learning. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Learning, you can follow these steps. First is acquire pre-trained ChatGPT model. Obtain a pre-trained ChatGPT model that has been trained on a large corpus of text data. You can access the model from OpenAI or use an implementation available in deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Next is data pre-processing and tokenization. Pre-process your dialogue data by cleaning and formatting it appropriately for training the chatbot. Tokenize the dialogue data, converting text into a suitable input format for ChatGPT model. Ensure alignment with the model's expected input format. Next is fine-tuning. Fine-tune the pre-trained ChatGPT model using your dialogue data. Train the model on your dataset, adjusting its parameters to improve performance for your specific chatbot objective. Utilize supervised learning or reinforcement learning techniques for the fine-tuning, depending on the availability of labeled data and your preferred training approach. Next is evaluation and validation. Evaluate the performance of your fine-tuned chatbot model using validation data or human evaluators. Measure metrics like response, quality, relevance, and user satisfaction. Iterate and refine your training process and architecture based on the evaluation results to enhance the chatbot's performance. Next is deployment. Deploy the trained chatbot model in your desired chatbot platform or application. Integrate the chatbot module into your chatbot system, ensuring proper processing of user inputs and generating responses using the fine-tuned ChatGPT model. Continuously collect user feedback and monitor the chatbot's performance to make further improvements and updates. So following these steps will enable you to use ChatGPT for chatbot deep learning and develop the conversational agent capable of generating contextually appropriate responses. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!